Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can change date of birth on the Snapchat. Because sometimes we want to change our date of birth on the Snapchat because we want to show our date of birth to others. So in this video, I will show you how you can change the date of birth on the Snapchats. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the Snapchat and then you will see profile icon, click on it. And then you will see setting options, click on it. And then click on birthday. So change it according to you. After changing the date of birth, click on continue options. So click on OK. So in this way you can change the date of birth on the Snapchat. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.